Hello, in this video, I will show you wear plates and cutting rings of concrete pumps. It is used in concrete mixing system of concrete pump trucks. The material is tungsten carbide alloy. The material is super wear resisting, so that our wear plates and cutting rings can bear very long service life for about 80,000 to 100,000 cbm. The selling points are tungsten carbide alloy, wear resisting, long service life, multi-brands applicable. The applicable brands include Sany, Zoomlion, Schwing, Putzmeister, Cermak, etc. Besides wear plates and cutting rings, we can supply many other kinds concrete pump spare parts. If you found our video interesting, please follow us. We will be sharing new updates and making live shows every week. If you found our video interesting, please follow us. We will be sharing new updates and making live shows every week.